House. This is Big Al. Welcome to Big Al Presents, a 10-word review, or less, the film The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, a prequel to the Hunger Games films taking place around the 10th Hunger Games. It's a backstory for who would become President Snow. And I do want to also say that this is a review based on the film itself, not influenced by any opinion of any actor or actress that may appear in the film who may be infamous in entertainment news recently. So, my 10-word review satisfies hunger for entertainment. Admirable performances, decent story, overly long. 3 stars, 3 solid stars. A good diversion if you're looking for one, especially if you're a fan of the Hunger Games films. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Big Al Presents, I really hope you do so. More reviews, rewatches, and rambles in weeks and months to come. If you did like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up and share it around. If you know anybody who likes the Hunger Games, till next time, find something fun to watch and take care.